Can automation in customer service still feel personal? Let's unlock the secrets. Hello, I am Ritesh Hegde, founder and CEO of Ritz7 Automations. Today, we are diving into the world of customer service automation, revealing how to keep it personal and effective for your service based business. In a recent collaboration with a professional photography agency, we introduced a chatbot that not only expedited surveys but also provided personalized interactions leading to increased customer satisfaction. Automation in customer service is a balancing act. Let's explore 7 secrets that ensure your automated systems offer efficiency without sacrificing the human touch, so vital in the service industry. The first secret to maintaining the personal touch in automated customer service is to use technology to enhance, not replace, human interaction. Automation should act as a support system, streamlining repetitive tasks and freeing up your team for more complex, personalized customer engagements. For example, in a psychology clinic, an automated booking system can handle appointment scheduling and reminders, allowing the staff to focus more on patient care and personalized follow ups. The goal is to automate the mundane to elevate the meaningful, ensuring that automation complements rather than overshadows the human element in your service. Moving on to the second secret, it's about personalizing automated communications, and here's where AI plays a pivotal role. AI driven systems can analyze previous customer interactions, allowing your automated responses to be not just timely but contextually relevant. For example, a small HR consultancy firm using AI enhanced email automation can send responses that reference previous discussions, providing answers that are both prompt and personalized. This approach creates an interaction that's impressively accurate and personal. Despite being automated, it's about using AI to bridge the gap between efficiency and personalization, ensuring that every automated message feels like it's crafted with care and understanding. The third secret lies in implementing feedback loops in your automated customer service. Feedback loops are a way to continuously gather and respond to customer input, ensuring your automated systems remain aligned with their needs and expectations. For instance, a service based business like a language translation agency can use automated surveys post surveys to collect client feedback. This data is then used to refine and adjust the automated systems, making them more responsive to client preferences and requirements. By incorporating regular feedback mechanisms, automation becomes a dynamic tool that evolves based on real customer experiences, ensuring that your service retains a personal touch that's informed by actual user insights. The fourth secret to balancing automation with a personal touch is establishing seamless human escalation paths. While automation handles the routine, it's crucial to have an easy transition to human support for more complex or sensitive issues. For example, a professional photography agency might use chatbots for initial customer inquiries, but if a client has specific or nuanced requests, the system should effortlessly direct them to a human representative. This blend ensures that the clients receive efficient automated assistance for general queries while having easy access to personalized support when needed. It's about creating a customer service experience that's both technologically advanced and deeply human centric. The fifth secret is utilizing omni-channel communication. This strategy ensures that every automated customer service is accessible and consistent across various platforms, whether it's through email, chatbots, social media, or phone. For instance, a health and wellness center could integrate their booking system across their website, social media, and direct emails, allowing clients to schedule and manage appointments through their preferred channel. This omni-channel approach not only enhances accessibility but also ensures a unified customer experience regardless of the communication medium. By providing consistent, high quality automated service across all channels, Businesses in the service industry can maintain a personal connection with clients, catering to their convenience and preferences. The sixth secret involves regularly updating the content and responses within your automated systems. Keeping your automated interactions fresh and relevant is key to maintaining a personal touch. This means periodically revisiting and revising automated messages, FAQs, and chatbot scripts to ensure they align with current trends, services, and customer needs. For example, a language translation agency might update their automated email responses to include the latest language services or industry specific offers. Regular updates prevent your automated communications from becoming stale or outdated, ensuring they resonate with your clients and reflect the evolving nature of your business. It's about keeping automation in sync with the dynamic rhythm of the service industry, ensuring your customer service is not just efficient but also engaging and up to date. The seventh and final secret is about showcasing your brand's personality through your automated services. Automation doesn't have to be cold or robotic. It can be a reflection of your brand's character and values. For instance, a psychology clinic might infuse its automated appointment reminders with encouraging words or wellness tips, reflecting their nurturing and caring ethos. Similarly, a creative agency could program their chatbots to use a more informal, friendly tone, mirroring their brand's innovative and approachable identity. By infusing your automated communications with your brand's unique voice, you create a more relatable and enjoyable experience for your clients. It's about transforming each automated interaction into an opportunity to reinforce your brand's identity and deepen the connection with your clients. As we have explored these seven secrets, it's clear that automating customer service doesn't mean losing the human touch. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Strategic automation, when done right, can enhance the personal connection with your clients, making your services more accessible, responsive, and engaging. Whether it's through AI driven personalization, seamless human escalation, or showcasing your brand's unique personality, each element plays a crucial role in creating a customer service experience that's both efficient and genuinely personal. For service based SMEs, embracing these principles of automation can be transformative. It's about moving beyond the traditional boundaries of customer service, leveraging technology to create experiences that are not just transactional but also relational. It's an opportunity to elevate your brand, to stand out in an increasingly competitive market, and to forge stronger, more lasting relationships with your clients. Remember, automation is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. By focusing on these seven aspects, you ensure that your automated customer service is not just a functional necessity but a strategic asset, one that reflects the heart and soul of your business. So, as you embark on or continue your journey with automation, keep these secrets in mind. Let them guide you in creating a service experience that's not just automated but also profoundly human. If you are inspired to bring a personal touch to your automated customer service, tag someone who might find these insights valuable. Let's help each other grow in this automated yet personal business world. Thanks for joining me today. Embrace automation with a human touch and watch your customer relations flourish. See you in my next video for more insights into smart business strategies. Until then, take care.